I'm going to share with you guys a powerful strategy that you can use to trade Volatility 75 successfully without breaking a sweat. Now, this strategy is very accurate and you can use it to scalp the market. You can use it to grow your small account into a big account and make profit. All right, so let's get on with it. All right, so as you can see right now, we are currently on Volatility 75 index market right now and currently on the 1 minute time frame. So this strategy is for the 1 minute time frame alone. Okay, so you are going to be scalping the market, taking advantage of those price movements, and you have to be moving, really fast when you see that perfect entry and setup. So what I'll do right now is to go over to the indicator section and show you guys the indicator we're going to use and the parameters for this strategy. So first and foremost, let's go over to the indicator section right now. So we'll go over to the indicator section, and currently we're using about 4 indicators on our chart right now. So the first one is going to be the moving average. So for the moving average, you want to make sure that you set the period to 8, then you put the shift to 0. The method is going to be exponential, then you apply to close. All right. Then the style, you put it on 2 pixel with color red, okay, with this third trend line, as you can see at this point. Then you click on done. Then the second indicator, you're going to put that on, the indicator with the 1, which is the relative stress index. You put the period to 10, then you apply to close. Then the level, you're going to add about 4 levels on the chart right here. As you can see, we currently have 10, 20, 80, and 90. So you put that for the levels, okay. Then for the style, you put that on 2 pixel with color black with this first trend line at this very point. Then you go back, okay. Then you click on done at that point. Then the style right here, then the style right here, as you can see, you put the color to white, which is the background of your screen. So if you're using a black background, you're going to set the background so black as well. Then for the style, you put that on 2 pixel with this trend line. Then you click on save. Then the third indicator is going to be the MACD. Remember, I always tell you guys that the MACD is a very powerful indicator that you can use, to trade the market. Okay. Now the MACD, you put the fast EMA to 12, slow EMA 26. Then MACD SMA, you set that to 5. Then you apply to open. Okay, you put that to open. Then for the time frame right here, you set that to all time frame. When you set that to all time frame, you want to make sure that you set the main to 1 pixel. Then the signal, you put that to 1 pixel as well. Color black for the main, color black for the signal, and for the main. Then you click on done. When you're done, then the third indicator is going to be the relative vigor index. The relative vigor index, you set that to period 10. Then for the style, you want to make sure that you put that on 1 pixel with color white. Then for the signals line, you put that to green color. The RVI style, you put that to the color of your screen, which is white. Then it has to be this third trend line on 1 pixel. Then you click on done. Okay. Now I'm going to explain to you guys how the strategy works. Okay. You simply look for buy and sell on this VIX 75, and it's going to be quick buy and sell entry. You scalp the market, take advantage of those price movement, then you are out of the market. Okay. Then you wait for another opportunity. So currently, what we're seeing right here, we're seeing that there's a level of 80 and there's a 90 at the very point. 20 and 10 together. So 90 and 80 goes together. 20 and 10 goes together as well. Now for the level of 90 and 80 is going to be our sell zone. Okay, this is going to be our sell zone. This region right here, which you can see between these two lines, between the line of 80, 90, the middle line right here. Okay, you can see this line that demarcates the 80 and 90. Okay, that's going to be our sell zone. All right, then our buy zone is going to be between 20 and 10. Okay, look at it, between 20 and 10. So now when this MACD right here, which you can see, falls below level 20, all right, you are looking for buy opportunities. You're looking for buy opportunities when it falls below the level 20. You can see that if you zoom in a little bit, you can see that the MACD, okay, when you zoom in a little bit, you can see that the MACD right here and this other line right here, you can see the black and this green line crosses below the level of 20 at this very point. Then you look for your buy. You go in for a buy entry, and also the moving average. Once price breaks above the moving average at this very point, is also a confirmation that this market is going for a buy. Okay, then you go in for that short-term buy opportunity. Okay, then you are out of the market. After you buy for the market a certain amount of time, you don't need to hold on for a very long period of time. Okay, you just go in for short-term buys alone and you're out of the market, okay? Then the next step is you are looking for sell entries. So sell entry has to be when price bought above, that region, 80 level region, between 80 and 90 at that very point, then you go in for your sell. If you're looking for a sell confirmation right here, at this point where the market sold below the moving average, you can see very long sell at this very point. Trace it upwards from here. Now you can see it was at this point whereby the green line and the black line crossed above the level of 80 towards the level of 90. At this very point, the market began to sell. Then you place your entry for a sell when you see that price has sold below the moving average. Very perfect, entry. Okay, you go in for your sell. You can see how long the market sold at this very point. You see, from that point, from here now to this point, very long sell opportunity. Very long sell. You go in and you're out of the market. Very easy, simple strategy for you to scalp. Scalp the market. You grow your small volatility 75 index account. Remember that this strategy only works on, the 1 minute time frame alone. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, this strategy works only on the 1 minute time frame. Now, when you click on that, you check again. As you can see, you only go in for perfect entries, and you only enter into the market if you want to look for a long term, buys and sell. Mainly when these two lines, which is the green line, a long-term buy, these two lines below here, cross below here at this very point, level 20 and level 10, you go in for a long-term buy here. From here, you can see very good amount of profit at that very point. Then looking for a sell, there has to be a sell. When it crosses above this very point, you can see cross above, then you go in, look for sell opportunities. Okay, you see at this very point here the market sell. Now this strategy works, but sometimes when price have crossed above this 80 level and 90 level, the market can take a little bit of time before it starts to reverse. Okay, so this strategy is about 95% accuracy. Okay, so there's no 100% accuracy strategy. If not, everybody would have money by now, right? So most of this strategy is about 95% accuracy. Okay, so you only go in for those perfect opportunities, just as we see right here. Cross above this very point here, above, you go in for your short-term sell. All right, now sometimes immediately you place your sell, the market will start to buy for a short period of time before it starts to reverse. Okay, that's how trading works. Okay, as you can see at this point here, market started to sell. Okay, you are looking for that short-term sell. Sometimes it will take a little bit of time before the sell happens. Sometimes the sell will just come in for a very long sell, and it's also the same for the buys, which you can see here. From here now the market bought up to this point. Okay, now I hope you understand everything that I've said to you guys in this volatility 75 index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. You can use to scalp the market and take advantage of price movement. All right, so if you found value in this video, do it to like and subscribe, and also guys, join my Telegram community, JD Forex on Telegram. On my Telegram community, I share with you guys tips, strategies on how to trade boomer crash indices, volatility index, and the forex market as well. I give you guys free daily tips and strategies on our Telegram community and free signals as well. So if you found value, do it to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.